The family feud at Rogers Communications may come to a conclusion this week in BC Supreme Court. For more on that, we are joined by Tyler Orton from Business in Vancouver. Good morning, sir. BC is actually playing a pretty big role in this boardroom battle.
Well, it's fascinating because Rogers Communications, it's headquartered in Toronto, but the company is technically incorporated here on BC. That's why everything is unfolding here in BC Supreme Court. And arguments made Monday, they hinge on specific BC law, which allows so-called consent resolutions when it comes to the makeup of the board. And what's going on there is that we have two people claiming separate control of the boardroom. They've essentially constituted two separate boards. So the question is whether BC law can be used by ousted Chairman Edward Rogers to dissolve the board that included his own mother and sisters, and then create a new board of his own. Edward Rogers is still chairman of the trust that controls the voting shares of the company. That's what makes this entire thing so complex. So we'll have to wait until Friday, but I think everybody's on tenterhooks to find out what exactly will happen next. And it all rests on a decision made by a BC judge.
Yeah, the Rogers family very much included. Okay, we've all dealt with airline delays, but this might be a new one. WestJet suspending hundreds of workers who are not vaccinated. And what could this mean?
Well, the question is this going to mean delays for flights? And we have about 300 WestJet workers that are on unpaid leave after missing a federal deadline for air travel vaccinations. That's still to be seen if there will be delays, but keep in mind that WestJet has 7,300 workers that are fully vaccinated. So WestJet might be able to avoid big delays. Also keep in mind that there is a transition period through to November 30th, allowing partially vaccinated workers to show a valid PCR test for COVID-19. That might be able to mitigate some of this work time or these work time potential delays that could go on too.
All right, fingers crossed. Tyler Orton, Business in Vancouver. Thank you for your time, sir.
Thanks, Paul.